Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log out of your EveryDollar account. To log out or sign out of EveryDollar, it's just a couple of steps, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. The first thing to do is to open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in everydollar.com and search. If you're already logged into your EveryDollar account and you'd like to log out of it, then the process is quite easy. Once logged into your account, you will come across this interface where you can see all of your budgets. From the main homepage, go to the bottom left corner of the screen where you will be able to see the sign out option. To log out of your account, click on sign out, but remember that you will need to enter your login credential every time you try to sign into your account. Make sure you remember your email address and your password associated with your account in order to get access back again to the account. So that's how you can easily sign out of EveryDollar. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.